Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how you can act as yourself when you're on a Facebook page. So this is important because it allows you to share these posts to multiple Facebook groups. So here we're on Facebook. Now we are on the Facebook mobile app, not the Pages app. So Facebook mobile app, you can see here I'm on my home screen. And this is important. So don't navigate to the menu to get to your page in here. Instead, you want to use the magnifying glass. So we're going to search for the page that I want to go to, a guide to deception. Okay, so here it is. This is my page. I'm going to touch that. Now I'm going to scroll down until we get to the menu. So now we see at the top we have a menu. We're going to go to posts. And now we have the posts here. So you can see at the lower right, there's this icon, and all my pages are here. I can choose who I want to act as. So I'm going to act as myself. And now if I share this post, I can share it to multiple Facebook groups. So again, use the Facebook mobile app, search for your page, and then it's in the lower right hand corner. You see my little profile icon there. I can touch that and act as whoever I want. So I really hope you liked this video. I hope you'll use it and share it with your friends to help them share their posts to multiple Facebook groups as well. Until next time.